Miserable and dangerous. That's how I would define a day like today, with heat indices still pushing close to 105 to 110. Now, there is a heat advisory in place. If you're to the northeast of this white line, this will expire later on this evening. But if you're down to the southwest from Cass County down into Effingham, this includes Macoupin and Montgomery, yours expires tomorrow at 11 p.m. Now, if you're in Fayette County, an excessive heat warning that will go until Thursday at 11. I'm not so focused on the timing. I'm not so focused on the location. I'm more focused on the fact that heat indices are still pushing over 100 degrees and surpassing it right now. Feeling like 90 degrees in Watseka, but 109 here in Decatur. Feeling like 107 in Champaign, 103 in Jacksonville. This is downright dangerous, so avoid being outside during the daytime heating, which again usually takes place from about noon all the way up till 3-4 o'clock. That's whenever we start to see that little turn for those temperatures. But even then, any given point of today, tomorrow, and even going into your Thursday is going to be oppressive. It's going to be dangerous even if there's no heat alerts in place. Roto-Rooter Tower camera showing lots of sunshine. It's been a beautiful day, but that only adds to the possibility of heat stroke and dehydration with that sun ray beating down on you. Again, avoid being outside. Drink lots of water, as it will help moderate your body temperature, because unfortunately you step outside, it is so humid that the heat from your body can't escape. You typically do that through sweating. That's not going to be the case, as it stays right close to you, so that's another reason why you want to stay inside. Satellite radar keeping us dry right now. Of course, we know it is humid out there, so there is moisture in the atmosphere, but at least the rain showers and thunderstorms back towards Iowa, at least for the time being, they will progress their way here because there's a stationary front set up. Stationary fronts are very slow moving. We're getting the moisture pump from the Gulf of Mexico, and unfortunately this is going to be the case for several days, and because of that we're talking almost daily chances of showers and thunderstorms for the first half of this forecast. Today's no exception to that. There's actually a slight risk for severe weather in play. Notice the showers and thunderstorms exiting or moving across the Mississippi River right along I-80. This will clip part of our viewing area. I don't think it will be as widespread as what Futurecast is showing it. However, I'm still leaving in the possibility for a hit or miss shower across the area. Very hard to pinpoint where these are going to be at this point in time because we have the moisture in the atmosphere. The issue is, does it reach the ground? That's going to be the big thing as we head in this evening. So if you're from Shelbyville North, back towards Watseka, I think those are going to be the better chances, even closer to that I-74 corridor. We get to definitely see the opportunity for severe weather because with the sunshine and the humidity, it acts as a catalyst for severe weather. That's going to be the case for multiple days in this forecast, including Wednesday morning going into Thursday as well. So that's something to keep in mind. There's that slight risk. Second category out of 5 from Bloomington to Paris. That would be the greater chance for severe weather. Down to the southwest, back towards Carnesville, Vandalia, least likely, but still a 1 out of 5. Biggest thing, these showers and thunderstorms will linger into daybreak tomorrow, so that's why Wednesday has a marginal risk. I think we're going to be drier by the afternoon and evening, but either way, heavy amounts of rainfall, and again, if it's a short amount of time, could be an issue because the ground needs to absorb that. With it being so dry and the drought that's going on, it's going to take a lot longer for the ground to absorb that. It's what we call permeability, the ability for the ground to absorb the water. Yeah, we just don't have that right now with the drought situation going on across central Illinois. So the amount of rain that we're going to get over the next week, you can definitely see some puddles before it starts to go down, especially right along the houses. Make sure there's a way that you can get it to drain towards away from that. Now you're going to notice that marginal risk for Wednesday, but more sunshine going into Sunday. Temperatures back in the mid to upper 80s, but lower humidity by beginning of next week.